Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: license, connectors, and access to the project list. Begin by creating an automated flow and pick a precise trigger like item created or modified. Once done, immediately add actions to retrieve the item, initialize variables for status and owner, and log the start time. Make sure to name the flow clearly so others can find it. This first sequence ensures events are captured reliably and sets a consistent state for every project item you automate. Now implement the core logic. Use conditions or a switch to route work by priority or due date, because routing early prevents manual triage later. Add approval steps, and when needed, parallel branches so several reviewers can act at once. This speeds decisions. Use compose and variables for intermediate values, and configure retries and timeouts to handle transient failures. Once configured, test with sample items and examine run history. Logging outputs helps you validate the logic and ensures predictable behavior under real workloads. Finish by publishing the flow, assigning clear owners, and documenting expected behavior and escalation paths so teams know who acts next. Then set up monitoring, enable flow analytics, create alerts for failures, and schedule periodic reviews of performance and cost. If something goes wrong, check run history to see inputs and outputs. Use scopes with configure run after or try-catch patterns to capture errors. When necessary, fix logic. Rerun failed instances and communicate changes to stakeholders to keep the project steady and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.